Alright, sorry guys, part 2. So same thing, I put all my parent functions in red and all my transformations in blue. Just for the sake of time. So if you ever need to pause it so that you can color it, please do so. Okay, that's the joy of videos. Okay, so our parent function vertex is the same. 0, 0. It always starts at the origin. Our transformation vertex is right here. It's -4, 0. So did this shift up or down? No. Did it shift left or right? Yes, shifted left. No, right there. Did the steepness change? Let's check. If this was 0, 0, this is 1, 1, and this would be 2, 4. So, no. The steepness did not change. Is this a reflection? Did it flip upside down? No! So this transformation looks like this. It's kind of similar to when we did the linear transformations. If it's just left or right, it goes inside parentheses, and it's opposite of what you would think it would do. Okay. Alright, number 6. Parent function vertex, same old, 0, 0. Y'all should be pros at it by now. The vertex of my transformation, that is my blue one. It's right here. This is 5, 0. Okay. Did it shift up or down? No. Did it shift left? I would hope by now y'all know your left and your right. So that one shifted right. Did the steepness change? We all know how to check. 0, 0, 1, 1. This would be 2, count up 4. So it's still there. Steepness did not change. Is it a reflection? Is it a hill now? Nope. Alright, number 7. Uh-oh, this one looks crazy. Oh wait, I forgot the transformation. So, if this is still inside the parentheses because left and right goes inside the parentheses, what do you think it's going to do? We still use the letter C. If plus makes go left, minus has to make it go right. Alright, now number 7. Okay, parent function is still the red one. Vertex is still the blue one. Transformation is the blue one. Still 0, 0. Transformation vertex. Now, again, the transformation vertex is where the y values start changing. So, here they're getting bigger, up 0, and then they start getting smaller, because -8 is smaller than -6, or less than. So this is upside down. So transformation vertex is still 0, 0, because this is where it changes direction. Okay. Did this shift up or down? Did our vertex move? No. Did our steepness change? Alright, let's check. Here we go. It would be, this would be 1, and then -1. And then 2, and then -4. Okay, so still, it follows the same points. So steepness did not change. Reflection. Who is that girl I see? Yes, it is a reflection. This transformation is negative f of x. We can't put the negative inside the f, inside the parentheses, because when you square that, it would become a positive, and then it would be normal. So we cannot do that. Alright, number 8. This one's kind of tricky, because it does 2. Here we go. So, 0, 0. That's our parent function vertex. here we go. Did it shift up, down, left, right, or none? Well, I know it shifted right, because that's where my vertex goes. And then it shifted up. So it does two things. Did the steepness change? Let's check. If this was 0, 0, this would be 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so the steepness did not change. It still follows the same points. Is it a reflection? Is it flipped upside down? No. So this transformation is going to look special. F, X, and then we have to put our C value. Now, it's going right. So look back in your notes. Is that going to be plus C or minus C? This is going right, and we put a minus. So f of x minus C. And it also goes up. So it's going to be plus D. We can actually write this in with numbers. Let's go ahead and do that. X. I know this is minus, but I know this is plus. Let's see how many it went to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So x minus 4, how many go up? 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that's what that would look like. Here we go. Number 9, last one. Uh-oh. This one looks crazy. Alright, parent function. Here we go. That's my red one. 0, 0. Parent function's vertex, always 0, 0. Transformation vertex. That's my blue one. Here we go. 0, -4. Alright. Let's check our transformations. It looks like it's in more than one. Did it shift up? No. Did it shift down? Yes. Did the vertex go left or right? No. So I don't need that. Steep. Okay, so now we're checking for steepness. Did it get steeper or less steep? Did it get narrower or wider? This one got steeper, got more narrow. Is it a reflection? Did it flip upside down? No. So the transformation could either be F with B inside next to the X, or, well, it's also minus D, or it could be A, do my colors, F of X, and then minus D. So in order to figure out if it's A or B, they both change the steepness, but one of them changed the steepness more. So I typed in both of these with a 3 because it is getting steeper by a 3. So if you want to calculate it in your calculator, you plug in 3 for the B and 3 for the A in two different ones. So the first one, B of X, if you're going to type that in the calculator, you have to put it in parentheses. Okay, 3 times x squared, because the calculator will only square what it's touching, minus 4. And that's this black line right here. Okay. A f of x minus d is this red line. Okay. So it's still steeper, but not so much steep. It's less steeper than the other one. So which one are we going to use? The way I can tell is I'm going to look on my calculator. It looks like the red and the blue one cross at -1, 2. If I look here, -1, 2, those points match. Okay, so it's actually the red one, which is not in parentheses. So this would look like 3. Oops. F of x, and then we have to see how much it shifts down. Minus 4. Right. Summary. This is where you summarize what you learn. So let's do it. Forgot something. Let me change that color. So we can summarize what each of these things do. A makes it steeper or less steep. B also makes it steeper or less steep. And I'm going to write that it has a greater effect than A. C, depending on if it's plus or minus, so minus C goes left, plus C goes right. And then minus D goes down, and plus D goes up. Okay, and any other thing that you think you might need to know for this section, I know it's a lot, but I promise you it gets easier as time goes on, especially with the next lesson.